Hi guys, my name is Bella, and I'm doing a Lanky Box toy video. So guys, I have four mini Lanky Box toys. So let's get you to see them. I'll show you the first and second one, then the third one and the fourth one I got. So the first one I got, hold on, let me fix it. Look. Oh wait, you don't know what character it is? It's easy, it's Sticky and Cammy. What's even better about it? Do you think there's something special about it? No? Oh, come on. There is something special about it. You know what it is? It glows in the dark. Woo! Okay, let me show you the next one. Guys, this is Milky next. It doesn't do anything, but you know what's better? Okay, then this one. Now let's open it. Wait a second. This is the fourth one. Now this one. And then this is special. Wow! Rainbow Baby Boxy looks so cute. And it even says Boxy on the back. Okay, let me put it back in. Oh. Now this one. So guys, have you ever heard of Foxy before? No? Then I'll show you what Foxy it is. It's kind of like the Rainbow Baby Boxy. Guys, it's a baby too. Doesn't it look so cute?
Oh my God.
So, now, what? I'm going to close it up. Close. Here, let me close this one. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Hope you enjoy this video. Please subscribe and watch more of my channels. Bye!